on the 5th episode of The Nutshell. My name's Emma, and I will be showing you how to make vegan ants on a log. So let's get started. So what we will need is a little scoopy thingy, like a knife, and you'll see you'll have some organically sprouted almond butter, some raisins, some celery, and this cinnamon is optional. So first you're going to take your little scoopy thingy and take a piece of celery. Now you're going to put the almond butter in the little place right there. And now, if you want, you can put a little pinch of cinnamon on, but just a pinch. And now we're going to put raisins on top of it. Yummy. Ants on a log is a nice healthy snack for doing your homework or for after school or for a picnic or something. Make sure you subscribe and hit a big thumbs up. Bye!